Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks.
Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to record screen in iPhone. As you know, screen recording is inbuilt in your iPhone. So let's know how to record screen. First of all, go into your mobile setting. Now click on your mobile setting. Now here you have to scroll down and click on control center. Now click on control center. Click on the control center. Now you have to click on customize controls. Now here you have to scroll down and find where is screen recording. Now click on plus to add in your control center. It will add in your control center by clicking on plus. Now click on plus. Now it has been added in your control center. Now go back and press home button. Now you have to scroll up. Now here you will see an option, a circle. You have to click on this circle to start recording. Now your mobile phone screen recording has been started. So like this you can record your iPhone's screen. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks.